Hello YouTube, welcome back to Monsterful Productions. Today I'm going to show you how to do Mia Wallace's costume from Pulp Fiction. So as always, I'm starting off with my liquid foundation. Next, I'm going to use my setting powder and a big fluffy brush to get rid of the shine. For my eyes, I'm going to use this Maybelline Nude palette with this dark chocolate brown color. I'm going to gently press this all over my eyes and rub it out with my finger. Then I'm going to go in with this light camel color. Then I'm going in with this cream color, and I'm going to do the same thing. And with my flat brush in this dark brown color, I'm going to lightly line under my eyes. Now for the dreaded liquid liner. Here I'm using black, and similar to in the movie, she just has a really small wing. "30 minutes later, and I'm using my foundation sponge to clean up the edges. Curling my eyelashes. Just gonna give myself a light coat of mascara. Go in with my bronzing wheel and the same sponge I've been using and contour some of my features. I didn't go crazy with this, I just gave myself a little bit more definition, especially around the nose and the cheekbone. Now it's time for the blush. I apply this light pink color all over the apples of my cheeks. For my lips, I'm using two colors, tanned and dusty pink. First, I'm applying the tanned lightly and the dusty pink over it. And then I filled in my eyebrows and made them thin just like hers were in the movie. And this is the final makeup look. Pretty easy. Now I'm going to pin my hair up so I can put my wig on. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can always stay up to date on my channel. In the next couple weeks, I'll be coming out with a special effects explained video which goes much more into detail about how I put wigs on, how I store wigs, and pretty much everything you need to know about the basics of wigs. This is the final costume. My shoes are golden just like hers. I'm wearing cropped black trousers, a white dress shirt, and a black bra. It's a pretty simple costume. That's one of the reasons I love it so much. If you love Pulp Fiction like I do, give this video a like. And don't forget to comment and subscribe to Monsterful for more content like this. Thanks for watching.